Okay, so friends, welcome, parents and my lovely students, Standard 3 and Standard 4. Uh, Zenden has invited a wonderful guest speaker today. Her name is Shrija Jhavar. Hi, Shrija.
Hello,
Can,
ma'am.
can all the children wave out to Shrija? Yeah, you
Hi.
lovely, very nice. So, Shrija is a wonderful certified transformational NLP and emotional intelligence coach. She's an author and she's also a trainer over 10 years. She's got experience for a long time now, and she brings her strengths to enhance the performances of individuals and teams. She writes some fantastic blogs. She has a very hands on approach to teaching. She does a lot of team workshops, executive and life coaching. She may look very young, but she is a wise soul. She conducts trainings all over India, and trust me, she's an amazing trainer. She's won accolades and awards at this very young age for her work over the years, and recently she's received the Global Choice Award for her work in mental health sector during the pandemic. She's a mum of a teenage son and is married to a businessman. She resides in Kolkata, and her forte is creating awareness for people on how to change the lens through which they see in order to create a new and lasting change in their lives through body, emotion, and language. She's a master NLP and a Dale Carnegie certified trainer. Uh, One of the most important roles that she's had in the recent years is being a national trainer at a UN affiliated NGO, JCI. So, Shrija, my dear, let me welcome you,
Thank you,
and
ma'am. Thank you.
the floor is yours.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this kind introduction. And read by you, it makes a lot of difference for me to inform the all the kids here. Like you, I'm also her student, and I'm very glad that we all share a wonderful teacher, together. That is Dr. Trupti Jain. And ma'am, I think there are 5 people waiting in the waiting room.
Yes,
And,
yes,
and,
yes.
and can we also hit the record so that, this gets recorded?
Yes, I have already started the record button,
Okay,
Shrija,
ma'am.
so you can
Okay.
start. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, friends. So I welcome you all to this beautiful, interesting, and exciting training on emotional intelligence. The word itself is power packed, right? Now, let me know how many do you really know when you say, how are you? When I ask you, how are you? Do you really know how you are? Let me have a few answers from you all. How are you?
Fine. We are fine, ma'am.
Fine.
I'm fine.
Thank you.
I'm fine.
Okay, if
Fine.
I
Thank you.
ask
How
you,
are you? I'm
thank
fine.
you.
I'm
So if
fine.
I ask you, thank you, friends. If I ask you, what exactly does this fine mean? Are you happy? Are you excited? Are you uh, bored? Are you waiting? Are you glad to see me? What exactly is this fine? Can you explain it to me in more words than just fine?
Means it basically means like we are feeling happy. Means
You're
happy.
feeling happy. Oh, great. Good. So we know how
I'm
we
feeling
are.
excited.
You're feeling excited. That's even wonderful. So we can point out exactly for how fine we are and what exactly our fine means, right? So for me, it could be excitement. For the other person, it could be just feeling calm, peaceful. For some other person, it could be just feeling good. So it could mean different things. So we today, what we'll understand is that we need to understand what we are feeling and give it special names so that we can express it to other people. Also understand through our body and other people's body language what exactly are they feeling, right? And put a name to it and a label to it. So that will help us in becoming emotionally smart. Now let me know if you people are intelligent. Okay, so let me go to that slide first and then we'll come back to the rules. Okay, so are you intelligent? Let me check. You people are in grade 3 and 4, so you must have read about planets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
in the solar
Ma'am.
system. Okay.
Ma'am.
So tell me in the solar system. You can write on chat also. Okay.
Up.
So tell me in the solar system which planet is blue planet.
Uranus.
Sorry. Put it. Good. Good. Earth. Very good. Good. Anna, it is Earth. It's not Neptune. It's Earth. Okay. Now we will have a rule. Today we will have a rule from now on. If you want to answer, either you answer in the chat or you raise your hands, and I will ask you, and you can answer. Okay? Set, so that I can understand you people. So good. And who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Great. So be rest assured that you people are smart. Great. Okay.
Narendra Modi.
Okay. So you people are definitely smart. Now tell me.
Narendra Modi.
You recorded.
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Now tell me, are you emotional? Tell me the last time you laughed. Anybody in the chat? Laughed. Kabhi hasa tha
I
last?
love means like ma'am, I laugh all the time basically.
Arman, I would ask Arman to give me the answer because Arman has raised his hand, which is so nice.
I laughed yesterday watching Bhagam Bhag movie.
Very nice. Wonderful. So you laughed yesterday watching Bhagam Bhag movie. Anybody tell me, when was the last time you cried or were cranky?
Ma'am, I'm Aja Agrawal. Can I say?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, Prajwal.
Ma'am, actually, when I came after, means like I came from down, and my leg was like super duper hurting,
Okay.
and I got hurt and I was crying.
Very good. So you got hurt and you were crying. Even Rashmi says, yesterday I cried. Good. Yesterday. So you know,
Mom.
you are an emotional person too because you cried. Thank you, friends. Now you can lower your hands because we will move forward. I know that all those people who have raised hands, they are definitely emotional. And we also checked that you are smart, you are intelligent. So now together that makes us kind of question, are we emotionally intelligent? So we have emotions, right? We have feelings, we cry, we laugh, we are cranky, we are bored, we have so many feelings, right? And we have another, at some point we are very smart, and our education system, our studies are making us even more smart day by day. So now together, when we bring these two things together, we need to understand, back to the slide to explain you. We are going to understand the various thoughts, कौन सी सोच हमारे अंदर है, what are the thoughts, what are the feelings, what are the emotions that visit us every day, and know what to do with them before they become too much. Okay? So we will also know कि अभी hurt हुआ, हम रो रहे थे, we were crying because we were hurt. What is the point of time when it becomes too painful and we need to run to an adult and show him that, okay, I've got hurt and you better do something about it? Or what is the period when we can ourselves handle that emotion? So that is what we need to understand. Okay. Second thing that we are going to do is to learn how to express these emotions to our support group, which I just said. Like, you'll run to an adult who is in your comfort zone, who you can trust. So for example, you can trust your teachers, Zen team. You can trust your parents, your adult siblings, your brothers and sisters who are adults or bigger, or who can handle your emotions. So these are the people who we'll make a support group, a circle where all the people we can go to when our emotions become too much to handle and take help or support. Okay. So these are the two things we will understand. And I want all of you to now lower your hands, those who have risen. Okay. And also look at the screen. Today, what are we going to do? I have already explained. What I want from you is that you need to spend this 1 hour doing nothing but understanding कि हम क्या emotional power और इमोशनल ऑब्स्टिकल से जूझ रहे, राइट? वी आर डीलिंग विद समथिंग, लाइक वी हैव सुपरमैन के जैसे हमारे पास सुपर पावर्स भी है, और हमारे पास क्रिप्टोनाइट्स भी है। यू नो ना क्रिप्टोनाइट्स क्या होता है, जो सुपर पावर को कम कर देता है, राइट? सो वी हैव दोज क्रिप्टोनाइट्स ऑल्सो। तो हमको वो समझना है आज कि what is within me is the power of my emotions and what can become peril. Okay, now I want you to keep your shutters of the video on so that I can see you. When I see you, I can understand what emotions are going through right in your head right now. Like Prajwal's mother looks very happy, but Prajwal is wondering what is going to happen, right? Similarly, when you are all, I can look at you, I can actually read your emotions. Now, to make it interactive, what we are going to do is you are going to, since the time is very limited, whenever I ask a question, try and answering in the chat. Okay? Because if all of you speak together, I will not be able to hear. Okay? When I unmute specifically somebody to answer, they can talk. Okay? Yes, okay, Galaxy. My brother troubled me, so I cried. Okay, you people are answering, and I'm liking it that you're, understanding what emotions when and what triggers it. Good. Now, I want you to have a paper and a pencil or a pen with you always during this program. Okay, even parents, I would like you to take notes. However, all the materials, the worksheets, the things that I discussed today here will be available on my website, or I can email you to the Zenden team. Dr. Trupti Jain can take it forward. So either which way, you will have it all with you. So you need not take any screenshots or what, everything will be given. Great. So you already know who I am, and we can now move forward. So let's understand what it means to be emotionally intelligent. Now tell me, if we don't have any emotions within us, we'll be like, yeah, it's already mentioned there. We'll be like robots. Yeah, we'll be like robots. We'll have no feelings. We'll just keep working. Yes, we'll have too much of intelligence like our computers. They have intelligence, but they don't have emotions. So we'll become just like those computers, right? Now, if we have too many emotions and if we go wild with our emotions, if we go wild when we are hungry or something, then what do we become? Anybody? In the chat, you can put it. Too many emotions, you go wild. Then what do you become? Wild, right? Cranky animals. Very good, Trisha. Very good. We become like wild animals who cannot be domesticated, who cannot adjust to in the human environment. And then we'll have to have special places where we'll have to be sent, like jungles and asylum, where we'll have to be away from our homes. Because घर पे तो सिर्फ domestic animals जो adjust कर सकते हैं, adapt कर सकते हैं, अपने आप को balance कर सकते हैं, वो ये लोग रहते हैं. वो लोग नहीं रहते जो वाइल्ड हो जाते हैं कोई भी चीज को लेके. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारा कब स्विच ऑफ करना है इमोशंस का और कब उसको ऑन करना है, राइट? सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. इमोशंस आर व्हाट मेक्स अस फील अलाइव, एंड इमोशंस हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. इट्स वेरी important to have emotions. So do not worry if you cry. Do not worry if you get angry. It's always good to have emotions. It's only that we need to balance those emotions ताकि ना हम robot हो जाए, ना हम animals हो जाए, right? So we need to be humans, balanced. Now, what is emotional intelligence? So हमने देखा कि we are all smart. We know so many things. We know maths, we know science, we know English, we know prayers, we know so many things. So we definitely are smart. But and we are emotional. So अब हम इसको जोड़ेंगे. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Emotional intelligence का मतलब है the ability to name your emotion. मुझे क्या feeling हो रही है? I'm angry, I'm hungry, I'm sad, I'm worried, I'm anxious. मेरे exams आ रहे हैं. So what am I exactly feeling? You are able to name your emotions. You are able to regulate, control. Remote control किसके पास है? तुम्हारे पास है, right? You are able to control your emotions and you are able to express your emotions. कि मुझे कैसा फील हो रहा है, मुझे पैर में दर्द हो रहा है तो मुझे इस तरह से फीलिंग आ रही है कि मुझे डर लग रहा है. So you are able to express your emotions in words to your people, to your support group and to others. Also, emotional intelligence is कि आप दूसरे का emotions भी समझ सकते हैं. So you will not tease anyone if he's getting very angry. You will not hurt anyone else. You will not fight with others because you also understand they also have those emotions, and they can also go towards extremes. तो आप empathy, आप दूसरे को भी समझने की कोशिश करते हैं because you understand now emotions. So if you are emotionally intelligent, you will be able to understand not just yourself, but your friends, your family members, your parents when they are tired. Now they need some rest. You look at them and you will know. That way, you will become very balanced. Okay. So this is what emotionally intelligent people are all about. Now, all those people who are drawing on this, thank you. I like it, but please don't do it here. Otherwise, I won't be able to read it. So it is not about what? It is not about controlling emotions. It is not about removing emotions. It is not about suppressing emotion. इसका मतलब है कि जब भी कोई इमोशन बहुत ज्यादा होने लगे तो आपको दबाना नहीं है. उसका एक तरीका होता है टू मैनेज इट. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू रिमूव. कोई इरेजर के साथ रिमूव नहीं कर सकते. आई एम एंग्री, आई कैन रिमूव, I can't control at that time because I'm really angry and mad at something, or I'm really scared of the dark or something. So you can't immediately remove or अपने आप को दबा के चुपचाप बैठ जाना कि मुझे इमोशन आ रहा नहीं, I won't say anybody anything is also not the way. That is not called emotionally intelligent. Emotional intelligence का मतलब I will be able to express, I will be able to control. If I can't control, I will find an adult who can help me, who is my सपोर्ट सर्कल, जो मेरा एकदम कंफर्टेबल, जिसके साथ मेरा लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल टीचर्स whom you trust, who talk to you, parents and others, you will go to them. So you will never suppress your emotion and sit in a corner. किसी ने तुमको bully किया या तंग किया, you will not just sit in one corner. You will go and express yourself. Okay, if you are emotionally intelligent, otherwise you're not. You know what is opposite to emotionally intelligent people? It's emotional fools. So we don't want to be emotional fools, right? Yeah, good. So now we feel emotions all the time. You must have. अभी किसी ने बोला मैं भागम भाग मूवी देख रहा था तो मैं हंस रहा था, right? So we feel emotions all the time. We read, we feel emotions. We are watching movies, we feel emotions. Now this time, as I'm telling you, you will start noticing every day when you feel emotions. Okay, you will start to notice कि जब मैं बाहर जाता हूँ, when I'm going out or I'm enjoying an event like Holi or something, what are the emotions that I'm feeling? I'm happy, I'm joyful, I'm cheerful, or I'm sad, I'm fearful, or I'm angry or bored. You will notice and you will label all those emotions. Okay, when you are listening to music or anything that you enjoy doing, you will start noticing, what am I feeling, what am I thinking. Now, when emotions become uncomfortable, we generally क्या करते हैं, हम भागते हैं, avoid करते हैं. नहीं, we'll not talk about this emotion. You know, I'm feeling jealous of my friend. I will not talk about, how can I say that I'm jealous? But yes, I will, because when I name the emotion becomes weak, you know. And if we name the emotion, it also can become powerful. As we said, power and kryptonite. आपका पावर बढ़ाना है या आपको हटाना है, आपको नेम करना पड़ेगा इमोशन को. सो इफ यू आर जेलस, यू विल नॉट अवॉइड, नॉट ट्राई टू सप्रेस, बट यू विल गो टेल. ओके, यू विल नॉट ट्राई टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट कि छोड़ो मुझे फियर, यहाँ इस रूम में घुसने से फियर है, आई कांट एंटर दिस रूम बिकॉज इट्स डार्क, तो आई विल गो टू अदर रूम. नो, we will face. We are super people, okay? So I want you all to draw yourself. जल्दी से take the paper, draw yourself, and with your cape, एक cape होना चाहिए, like a superman or superwoman or she woman, okay? So just draw yourselves, फटाफट. I'll give you a minute to draw yourself, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In which emotion we have to draw ourselves?
No, just draw yourself. Right now, we are not drawing in any emotion. Just draw yourself as a super person, super woman or super man, okay? And then give yourself powers. Okay? You can give yourself a nice 3-4 power जो आपके अंदर है, you know, that's your power. And when you are done, you write in the chat that you are done. Good. Rajwal has done. Okay, Amit is also done. So now I want you to share in the chat box any 3 powers that you have given to your superman or woman. What are the powers you've given to yourself? Okay. Have you given yourself some powers? To be quick, to help, to heal. Laser eyes. Okay, strong. Somebody's written. Very good. I like that. Heal and quick and help and good and strong. What else? Being happy, helpful, powerful. Excellent. Girl power. Very nice, Amit. Good. And not be scared, so you'll be strong, courageous, right? So good. So when you've given yourself powers, these are your powers that you want to increase. Okay, with what? With emotional intelligence that we're talking about. And क्रिप्टोनाइट्स क्या होगा, मैंने बताया ना, जो आपका पावर को कम करेगा. वो कौन सा है? वो जब आपका इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस नीचे जाएगा. When will it go down? When you will do all these 4 activities. When you'll try to run away, when you'll try to avoid, when you'll try to control on your own by suppressing, when you'll deny, deny मतलब no, मुझे कोई emotion नहीं है. I'm not jealous. I'm not feeling fearful. When you will deny, then it goes down. Okay. Rajshri, please don't draw. Okay. Now, look at this emotion. Do you recognize these emotions? Do you recognize only by seeing?
Ma'am, anger.
Yeah, the right woman is anger and the child
I was crying.
Ma'am, anger and crying.
crying. When do we cry? What is the emotion?
Mostly when we get hurt.
I like that. Yeah, invisible, flying,
When we
strong.
get
Good.
hurt.
Keep putting it in.
Ma'am, sad. When we get hurt.
Very good. Sad. When we get hurt, that is, we become very sad and we are very angry. तभी हम ऐसा करते हैं ना. So you need to now start naming emotions with me. We'll do this together with me. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Because our superpowers have to go up, not go down. So now look at so many emotions. Now I want parents, if they're here, to know that it's very good practice to have a wall of emotions or a place, an area where the child can read the emotions. Look at, yeah, don't have to read in loud. So all you need to do is note down these emotions and keep them with the emotional, emojis these days, or show them, what it is when you're proud, how you, make them talk to them about when they were proud, what were they feeling, what was their body language, and keep such walls handy with you. Now we'll be giving you everything, so you need not worry. But these are the emotions so that they can name it. Like sometimes, we feel silly, right? When we are out of the wit when we speak up, or when it's not our turn and we speak in the class and we suddenly start feeling very silly about it, right? Or we gave a very foolish answer. So it's okay to call yourself, okay, today I feel silly, I've just been acting silly today. I'm feeling sick, or I'm feeling calm, or I'm feeling bored or hungry. Not every time are you angry. Sometimes anger is just on the top. Parents also have to realize that when children are angry, they're not really angry. It is their incapability to express what they really feel. So it's like tip of the iceberg. There's a lot going on within. And we need to talk to them to label the emotions and be able to express the emotions. Because if they are not able to express their emotions, a lot goes within them. And that anger can turn into various other problems, right? And we all know about all the psychological problems that the children can have. So it's very important to be able to label the emotions when they are feeling and what they're feeling, and then what leads to making them feel. Like, for example, they've been studying for half an hour. ऐसा होता है कि नहीं, जब आप आधी घंटा तक पढ़ रहे हो, आप suddenly you read but you don't understand anything that you're reading. Does it happen with you? Suddenly after half an hour you just
Yes, ma'am.
because you're feeling very
Yes,
distracted. Yes, because you're feeling very distracted. Okay, parent of Vivan, I think somebody is drawing. Please do not draw. Thank you. Okay. Now see, this is a wheel of emotion. Now you may feel overwhelmed when something that you're doing continuously. You may feel overwhelmed when you're very hyper. You want to just, like, some people are so hyper, they have a need to draw on the screen. So this is like they are feeling very hyper excited. So they want to do something. Okay. Similarly, so when you label yourself, you know that where am I? Now I will tell you, these also have a thermometers. It's okay to feel overwhelmed, but at the same time, yeah, yes,
Yes, ma'am. What is this emotion called? When if you are a dog and the other person is not a dog, feel a type of emotion. What is that called?
can you repeat the question, please? I did not listen properly.
If
If other person,
yes, ma'am.
I get scared when I'm in a crowd.
If
Okay.
we don't have legs or don't have hands, or we are heightless like dogs, so we feel something emotion. What is that called?
Okay, we feel timid. We feel very timid, on the edge. We feel invisible, right? We feel like we are so little, nobody's noticing us. We are like invisible, right? We feel ignored. So these are the things that we may feel when we feel like a dwarf. We are so little that nobody notices us. Or if somebody has written, I'm so scared when I'm in crowded places, because probably the person sees so many big people around in the crowd and they're so little that they feel so scared and suffocated. So good. I am really appreciating Vyom that he's naming, in your naming your emotions. You're coming up with the feelings that you feel. So this is what you're going to label your emotion. Now, what will you do with that emotion? How will you deal with that emotion? Is
Excuse
what
me,
we are.
ma'am.
Yes.
What is the meaning of overwhelmed?
ओवरवेल्म्ड का मतलब आप बहुत थक गए, या बहुत टायर्ड हो गए हो, बहुत एग्जॉस्टेड हो गए हो, आप सुबह से पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, तो इन द इवनिंग यू फील अब और मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता या नहीं पढ़ सकती. दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन यू फील यू आर ओवरवेल्म्ड. बहुत कर लिया, राइट? Yes.
Can you go in the excuse me, ma'am?
Okay, so we'll take questions in the next. Okay, one at a time, and now.
Can you just go at the previous slide?
Okay.
Slide.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, what's the the meaning worn out?
Worn out, again tired. Worn out is when you are working since morning, your dad comes from office, he's been working all day, your mom comes from office, she's working all day, she's worn out. So she will love it if you go run in the kitchen and you get a glass of water for her and give it to her and say, oh, I know that you must be worn out, why don't you have a glass of water? They'll be so happy, right? So when you understand what the emotions are for you, you will also understand what are the emotions for other people. Okay, so now let's move forward and understand the wheel. Okay, so all you need to understand that you are either understand the three primary emotions: mad, bad, glad. Okay, so let's say it together. Not bad, sad. Okay, mad, sad,
Sad.
glad.
Glad.
Okay, so when you're glad, you have all these excitement, you are joyful, you are happy, you're enjoying, you're cheerful. When you are sad, you are hungry or worn out or tired, or all those sadness wala feelings, or bored or distracted. When you're mad, you are fearful, you are raging, you बहुत जोर से गुस्सा आया है, या you are एकदम depressed, sad, very sad, then you are going towards the state of mad. हमारा aim क्या है? We don't want to go to the state of madness. We want to be glad, and it's okay to be sad, but we don't want to be mad, right? So we will have to know when to switch off our excitement. Even excitement बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो आप lunatic हो जाओगे, right? So you need to know when to switch off or when to reach out to a support circle. Okay, so let's understand this. There's a range of emotions. Okay, joy का opposite क्या है? Happiness का opposite? Sadness. Right? Sadness. और in between बहुत सारे emotions होते हैं. So you must know that when you are joyful and when you are sad. Yeah. Fearful. So when you're fearful, what is the opposite of fear? Is anger. Right. Fear में हम पीछे हट जाते हैं. But anger में हम सामने से जाके उसको अटैक करते हैं ना. So that is what it is actually opposite emotions. So in between अगर आप आओगे तो you'll become very courageous. When you're not even fearful, not angry, you're courageous. Okay. Surprise. When you're surprised, your eyes become big. Like you are wanting to take everything. Achha. When was the last time you were surprised by your parents or somebody? Were you? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What was the surprise?
And my parents gave me a gift.
Oh, lovely. Good. Now tell me, surprise के बाद अब एक कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि when you know Christmas is coming or Diwali is coming, you are excited because you don't know what gift you're gonna get. You're excited, right?
Yes.
So that is surprise का opposite is anticipation. मतलब excitement of something good, hope of something good. Okay, so that is another thing that you must know. कि what exactly is going on in my mind? When you trust people and when you disgust, okay? When you move backward, when you are, you know, you go to a dirty room or bathroom somewhere in the public, what do? You cringe your face, right? You. So that's what is disgust. What is that? Disgust. Okay. And when you trust something, you are faithful. You go forward to it. You go towards it, right? So that is trust. Now, yes.
Ma'am,
What is this? Sorry.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of expectancy?
Expectancy is hope. When you are excited about something in future, okay, that is expectancy. मतलब आपको उतना heavy word नहीं समझ में आता, so you just simply understand hope. Okay, hope of something good. Okay, so now you will tell me in the chat box what is the emotion that is being depicted in the next slide. Okay, now tell me what is she feeling?
Shock. Surprise. He's shocked,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Surprise! Very good, very good, very good. But I want you all to quickly type. Otherwise, I will not be able to understand.
Surprise!
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot see a screen.
Why can't you see my
Excuse me,
screen?
ma'am.
What is
it
this feeling?
Ma'am,
Ah,
this is like attitude or kind of like that.
yeah. So attitude. When do we give attitude? When we are annoyed. When angry se thoda kam. Okay. When we are annoyed. Okay. We are not really angry, but we are annoyed. So you are understanding? Angry में भी कितना सारा thermometer है. We can be irritated, we can be annoyed, we can be angry, we can be in rage. So there are different zones. When you are in rage, you will have to run to an adult. When you are angry, you will have to manage it, right? And when you are annoyed, you can manage it on your own. Yeah, you can switch it off. So what is this emotion? Now look at Kajol. Okay, this woman lady here. What is she feeling?
She's like angry.
Angry, very good. Good. This is real anger. Yeah, this is not annoyance. She's angry. Good. Okay, good. Next. What is she feeling? Okay, what is she feeling?
Angry. She's like
Angry.
mad.
She's mad. I like that. Whoever said it. This is mad. Yeah, Seema. Yes, this is mad. Yeah. So did you see the difference between annoyance? Annoyance, you're a little irritated, you know, you're irritated with your brother for doing something or your sister for doing something. Second comes angry. Now you're very angry, you know, they are not listening to me. I'm really angry. But then comes a stage when you become mad, and that is the stage when you need Help. See, some people are picking this person up and taking, because this is the stage where we don't want to reach. She is not emotionally intelligent. She is emotional fool. Okay. We don't want to become emotional fools. We want to
Ma'am,
be
and
emotionally intelligent. Okay. So
Ma'am?
now, yes. Sorry.
ma'am, means like the when means like we should never be mad.
Whenever we feel we are going into madness, we need to take action and control our emotion. जैसे कि हम अपने टीवी का वॉल्यूम कम करते हैं, वैसे हमको अपना भी अनोयंस में भी हम मैडनेस से थोड़े से एंग्री हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जब मैडनेस हो रहा है वी विल हैव टू रिड्यूस द टेम्परेचर. जैसे एसी में रिड्यूस करते हैं ना टेम्परेचर, वैसे हमको अपना टेम्परेचर को रिड्यूस करना है
Yes, ma'am.
अपने आप या फिर अपने एडल्ट के साथ, मतलब अपने मम्मी पापा टीचर, कि ma'am, I'm feeling very angry, I need to do something about it, and we will also work on what all you can do, right? So now tell me, what is this person feeling? What is this person feeling?
Ma'am, like she's feeling really happy.
Happy about something. Yeah, she is glad. Yeah, she's
Surprise.
good.
So
This
means
is-
so happy.
Yeah, she's optimistic, she's hopeful.
Ma'am,
Joy.
glad Agrawal.
What is this? What is this?
She's feeling mad.
Again, anticipation, but with anger.
Angry.
She's angry. Yes, very good. What is this?
No.
Oh, no. So what is this? Not irritated. No, she's crying. So she's feeling. Prajna, you're right. She's feeling sad. Sad. Okay,
Crying.
good.
Frustrated.
Okay. Next. Now you people are understanding now. What is this? When you just don't know what to do with your sadness, what do you do?
She's crying.
She's in grief. मतलब जब sadness बहुत बढ़ जाता है, then we go in the red zone.
We don't know what to do.
When we don't know what to do, then we go into grief. Okay. Now, what is this?
Mama is crying.
This is also sadness. Okay. Now come to this. What is this? Right. They won the match. So joy. Very good. Now, good. Name the emotions. What is this? Happy में और बोलो. Happy में what kind of happy is she? She's feeling
Really happy.
what? Serenity. Okay, friends. Now, yes. Now we will only do the in the chat, okay? Because I'm not able to hear you people properly. Like Trisha, Rashmi, thank you for putting it in the chat. Joyful, yes, and joyful may be very calm. Okay, she's feeling calmness. Look at her face. She's eyes are closed. She's like hugging the tree. She's feeling very calm, peaceful, serenity. Okay, so you will name your emotion when you're feeling in the nature. When you go, which was the last holiday you took? You too felt calmness, right? Good. Now, what is this?
Ma'am, she's thinking.
Yeah, she's thinking, but she's smiling. She's not really bored. Look at her. She's smiling. Yeah. Delighted, and
She's like
she,
smiling and she's happy.
she's happy. She looks like she's loving everything around her, right?
Yeah,
So she's
means
in-
like she's thinking. She's in a thought.
Now look at this person. What can he be feeling? Think. What can he be feeling? Is he annoyed? Doesn't look annoyed. Bored? No. He's saying ho gaya. No, he's saying trust karo mere pe. Trust me. I'll do your work. Okay. So he's looking so sure of himself. Please don't draw. Please don't draw on the thing.
He's trust.
Okay.
He's trusted on someone.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. This is trust. Okay. When you're very sure about yourself, then now look at this. It's making me nervous. And this one. What is this?
Angry. He's like super.
Super angry. Okay. What is she's feeling? What is she feeling?
Nervous.
Very good. Nervous. Okay. Okay. Then come to chat, my dear babies. Okay. Shocked. Okay. Nervous. Angry. When you feel nervous, what exactly is the emotion? Fear. Very good. Anxious. Very good, Tanisha. Yes, yes. You feel nervous and you feel fearful. That's why you move backwards. Remember, in anger, you come forward and you rage. Okay, scared. Very good, Pooja. Good. So now we have understood various emotions. Now, this is very important. Huh? Tell me, what is the left one feeling?
Really?
What is she feeling? Yeah, she's saying. Okay.
And the right one is hate.
Very good. Right one is hate and left one is boredom. See, how do you behave when you're bored? Yeah, look at your expressions when somebody comes in the class and like, "Ye kya hai? What have I to study? You know, what is she teaching? You know?" So that becomes like you're bored. And when you are like you hate something, it comes on your face, right? You sometimes even cry because you
Means like sometimes we try to not to tell, but we are telling him by our expressions only.
yeah. So you should also, when you don't want to tell, you can manage your expressions now. Disgust. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Absolutely right. Absolutely right.
Disgusting.
Disgust. Very good. Okay, now great. Now we can come back to this and we can remove the drawings and you will understand something very important. Now that you've understood, like very good students, you've already understood. Just a sec. Let me clear all drawings and come to my mouse. Okay. Now see. Please don't draw one. Okay. Because if you draw, I won't be able to read. Thank you. So the 4 zones, अब हम लोग को क्या समझना है कि where are we currently? Okay. So when you are feeling glad, and you can control it, you are in the go zone. Which zone are you? In the, you are happy. You are peaceful. You are attending class with full attention. Then you are in the go zone. मतलब अभी ठीक है, everything is fine. Give yourself a pat on the back. The Superman is in its power. Okay. The Superman is ready to fly. It's in its power. It's going very fine. Now, the Superman is walking towards excitement or या anger or annoyance से anger में आ गया. तो वो कहाँ चला गया? Yellow zone. Okay? Yellow zone is excitement color zone. Yellow zone is when you start feeling your emotions too much. So that is the time when the Superman has to go, then the Superman has to go slow. Okay? Then धीरे चलो, नहीं तो अभी इतना fearful हो जाओगे कि you will get into the stop zone, which is actually the red zone. I don't know why it is looking blue, but it should be red. So this is the red zone, okay? This one, sorry. Okay, so here it says extreme rage, बहुत ज़्यादा डर, anxiety, out of control. This is a time when you need to ask your Superman to stop, नहीं तो kryptonite will take away all the power. Okay, जितना power आपने उसको दिया है ना, वो सब उससे निकल जाएगा. Suddenly, जो अपने आप को helpful power दिए हैं, they will become not so helpful. If you've given yourself the power of strong, you will suddenly feel very weak. Okay, so you will feel the opposite of the power that you have given to your super person.
Energy, anger, panic, terror, out of control, stop zone.
So stop is the area jahan you will need to stop yourself, or you will need to take help from your parents or somebody, and you have to name, I'm feeling extreme panic or I'm feeling extreme anger. So that is the time when you will have to go to somebody. Now, what is this pause zone? जब को pause करके अपने आप को वापस reset mode करना है. What is it when you are very bored? पढ़ाई करते करते you are bored, or you're hungry, or you're sad, or you're sick. What will you do? You will pause, you will take your medicine, or you will eat your food, or you will take 5-minute break and play a game and come back and then go again. So you need to pause when these things happen, where you go into very low energy. कौन pause करता है अपने पढ़ाई के बीच में 5 minute breaks? कौन लेता है?
मैम मैं
Very good. Good, good. Good. So
I also take 5 minutes break.
good, Kriti. Thanks for writing. Okay. Thanks for Prajna also to write on chat box.
After 25 minutes. Every 25 minutes.
Good. Very good. So the rule is, as she said, after every 25 minutes, you will take a 5 minute break. Otherwise, you will be in the pause zone. Superman has to pause. Imagine, वो उसको बचाना है किसी को, and he has to pause in between air. So you need to go, you need to play. And when you need to play, you need to be fully charged. So this pause mode is when you will say, okay, pause, Superman, you need to eat something, or you need to take a 5 minute break and come back and go. Okay, so this is how you will move forward. You know when to slow down? When you're moving towards mad state. Even super excitement of something is not good. We ask them to also slow down. Okay. खुशी में भी बहुत खुश नहीं होना है, दुख में भी बहुत दुख नहीं होना है. Okay. So we need to be balanced. So ये
मैम
4 zones याद रहेगा. Everybody say yes in the chat. Okay. Yeah, when you know when to pause, when to go, when to be slow, and when to stop. Okay.
Ma'am,
Good, Rajat, Manali, Prashant. Yes.
ma'am, what happened? It's like the slow zone is like sometimes for excitement we are like suppose we are going on like a vacation and we go super duper excited and our parents told calm down.
Yeah, the parents say, right, very good. You noticed it very well. Parents want you to slow down, because if you get too excited, you may get into the mad state, and then they will not be able to control, and you will also not enjoy so much. So when you are just excited, it's good. But when you're going super excited, parents or somebody will tell you calm down. So you can also tell yourself, calm down, it's okay. We can go slow, right? So that is self-talk that I want you now take it in your hands, because you are emotionally intelligent people now, right? You can handle your emotions. So we know where to be negative, positive. I'd not go into this. I'll move forward from here. So there is no good or bad emotion. There is no good or bad emotion. What is bad is there's only good or bad reaction to the emotion that you're feeling. If you're feeling extreme anger, what will you do? You don't know what you'll do. If you start breaking things around, if you feel too envious or too jealous of people and you start hurting them, is that a good reaction or bad reaction?
Bad reaction.
It's a bad reaction. Very good, very good. So we need to stop. Very good, Prajna. We need to stop, and we have to come back to ourselves and do some wisdom, do some talking. So what will we do? Okay. So we will mark in that drawing that you've done. You can also do something that you can have colors for every emotion. Okay. And you can mark in your body which area hurts when you feel angry, which area hurts when you feel jealous, or when you feel sad or hungry. So where is it in my body that I feel this emotion? Okay, identify it, so that you are knowing about yourself, your emotion, your body, and your feelings. Okay, and what are my thoughts? Am I thinking about something that will increase my emotion or my feeling, or am I trying to think of something positive so that I can take control of my emotion? I am the super person, right? I have full control on myself. So first, let me identify in which body part I feel these emotions. Okay, when you identify that, you tell your parents, or you start understanding how I can heal this, right? By saying good things to myself. Okay, so, okay, let me share with you one very nice thing with that I'll share later. Let's first look at this. Okay, look at this temperature. This is how you monitor which level are you feeling this emotion. So next time when you feel not so good, or when you're feeling too sad or something, just mark what is my temperature. Okay, is it too much, or is it okay, manageable? Am I very sad? I'm sad. I'm in between sad, very sad. Okay, then I will first monitor मैं कहाँ हूँ, where am I? Am I too tired? I'm not worn out. I'm energetic. I'm not angry. I'm fine. I'm simply annoyed a little bit. So maybe I'm here somewhere. Okay. So this is how you will mark yourself. Then I want you to have this kind of workbook. Now, say, for example, I will take one emotion like anger. How many of you get angry very fast?
Me.
You fight?
Means like mama get irritated.
Ma'am, sometimes we get angry.
Yeah, we do get angry. I like it that good Ahana, good Prajna. I like the fact that you people admit, Amit, Harsh, Harish, very nice, that you people admit that yes, I do get angry. So next time when you are feeling angry, what are you going to do? You're going to mark in the thermometer your anger level, okay? 1 to 10 में आप अपने आप को एक rating देंगे. उसके बाद you will do these little exercises, okay? And you will come up with many exercises. So you will take 20 deep breaths. So can we all do it now? Start doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will teach you a very interesting breathing technique today. Are you excited? I'm very excited. I love doing it. Okay, so let's do it. Who is it? Please name yourself and say.
Adya Agrawal.
Yes, Adya, tell me.
Ma'am, usually we don't usually we don't get angry just like that. The first step of angry is basically getting irritated.
Yeah, but can we control on the things that get us irritated? Like for example, if I'm watching a TV show and I don't like my favorite hero getting losing in front of the villain, but he is losing and I'm getting angry. Now what is happening is that I'm looking at the TV show so I cannot change, right? But in my body I am feeling the uncomfortable feeling of anger. It is not out there. उनको कुछ feel नहीं हो रहा, right? TV को कुछ feel हो रहा है? नहीं.
No.
The people in the TV show, are they feeling anything? No, but I am feeling in my body. So who should I work on? Me or the other person? Me or the other thing? Me, right? Because I am the one who's becoming emotionally full. I'm not emotionally intelligent anymore. So I need to use my wisdom, my intelligence, and I'm going to help myself, right? So how do I help myself? I'm giving you some techniques through which you will never go into mad state. You will always stay in control of your superpowers. Kryptonite ko diffuse kar denge. You know what kryptonite is? Do you know?
Yeah, ma'am. It's basically it's the
What brings that power down?
That brings our power down. Very good. So I was watching the Super Person show and I was enjoying the kryptonite. So we don't want to give the power to the kryptonite. So we will take the power back. And how will we take the power back? From the emotion. So we will do box breathing. What is it called? Box breathing. I'm putting in the chat also. Okay. Box breathing. Now, what is it? You will inhale 4 times. So when I'm counting, you will all inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. You will hold 1, 2, 3, 4. You will exhale 1, 2, 3, 4 and outside hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So let's start again. Now I'm counting.
Yeah.
Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So this is called box breathing. Okay. It needs a lot of practice, and when you inhale, your stomach should come out like a balloon. And when you exhale, it should come in. Okay, as if the balloon is out of air. So when you inhale, it should come out like balloon. Okay, remember that. That's the right way of breathing. So good. Second thing that you can do is, the people who love drawing, you can literally draw your anger as a dinosaur. Like the person who's very angry with me is drawing on my screen. I can name the person, but I'm not naming, okay? I can see your name. Okay. So let me again delete. Okay, thank you for clearing. Okay, so Rishabh Mishra, please do not draw again. Okay, now do 50 jumping jacks. This really brings your anger down. Okay, 50 jumping jacks. When you get up and you go in your room and you do jumping jacks 50 times, and you will be seeing that your anger is coming down. You can do some writing. Many people love to write, they have a diary. So write, I'm angry because this has happened. I am trying to control it, or I like to go to my mom or somebody. So write about your anger. What is the story about your anger? Okay, give it a happy ending. Okay, then you can do counting 1 to 100. You can literally start counting rather than reacting like mad. You can do some counting. You can walk away in some garden or park, and you just leave that place where you feel angry. Okay, if you're in a classroom, you can't walk away. So just close your eyes and imagine that you are in some special place. Okay, you can imagine to be in a beach, sitting in the desk, sitting here. You can all imagine and go anywhere you want, right? You can do that. So open your doorways of imagination, like Harry Potter did, and everything became true, right? Similarly, you can talk to somebody. You can have a stress ball at home. You can squeeze the ball. You can go play outside, enjoy a music, do something you love doing. So if you like dancing, dance, paint, play chess, do whatever you like to do, right? So you can also put in your ideas of what you can do to manage your anger or manage any emotion that is coming in too many. It's becoming towards madness stage. Okay. So you can
Ma'am,
manage.
should I tell one idea?
Yeah, please say. Would love to have
The
an
means
idea from you.
like the thing which can help you to relax and like the most which I think is sleeping. It's
Yeah,
like
you can go and sleep also. But remember, just sleeping when you're very angry, it can cause, because you've not processed it, right? So sometimes
yeah,
it may cause bad dreams to come, or, it seems like you're running away from something. So just distract yourself for a while. When you've calmed down, talk to yourself about, why did I get angry? Was it really necessary? Then you make a good self talk, okay? And you can talk to others also. When I'm angry, my head pains. Very good, Shubhajit. Yes.
Ma'am,
Oh, Sharanya.
I,
Sharanya.
ma'am, I
Okay.
have an idea.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can build Lego blocks.
Lego blocks. Very good. So you will come up with 4, 5 ideas and share with your friends, okay? On your own. Now, what I want you to do when your head pains, Sharanya, that is the time when I want you to do the breathing when you're angry. Just sit calmly not in the place where you got angry, somewhere else, and do some breathing exercises, okay? And you will feel, and you will distract yourself by doing something that you really love to do. And you will see your headache will automatically come down, okay? Now let's watch this beautiful movie before we move forward, okay?
Ma'am, can't.
Shrija, the movie doesn't have a sound?
Yeah. Wait. You could not hear?
Ma'am,
No.
you're muted.
I think you haven't.
No. Okay, because this is in the presentation, ma'am. So let me just.
Let
Okay.
it be.
Okay, ma'am. Now
Doesn't
I think
matter.
you'll be able to hear. Wait. Can you hear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what did you understand with this movie? Anybody?
Ma'am, I didn't understand nothing.
Okay, I will explain. Thank you. Who else? Anybody who could understand something?
Ma'am, what happened that what I thought that the girl had made something, and
Yes.
I didn't know what the place was, but I liked the thing that I guess the boss
Yeah.
rejected it,
Yes.
and still she again tried, and means like she didn't lose her hope.
Yes. Very good. And what was the next time? What was the difference?
What
Did
the
you notice?
different, yeah, means like the second time what happened was there when she was going through the way on the top,
Yes.
he went to different rooms like empathy and which self-respect
Very
or
good.
something like that,
Self-knowledge. Yes.
and it was basically, and she had a like that heart heart green one on the
And
top.
it got completed, and she had people with her. And yes, very good.
Yeah,
So,
everybody liked
you
the
give
thing.
me your name. The person who's speaking, Shivani. What is your name?
Ma'am, actually that's my mom's name. My
Okay.
name is Adya Agrawal.
Adya, a round of applause for you. You noticed very well. Yes. First,
Thank you,
she tried
ma'am.
to make something. She tried to take it to the top, but it got rejected. Why? Because she had no one to support her. Okay. This is what happens when we are only working to go and become very successful. Okay. We want to be on top of everything and we want to play the game and win the game. But what happens? We don't involve others. We just want to win at any cost. We don't care, whether anybody is with me or not. We have not taken opinions of other people. We have not asked anybody. We just want to be on top. That is when we are rejected, because we don't know so many things that could have been known. Now, what are the rooms she went into? The first room was the acceptability, the growth mindset, which means I am this super person that I am. I'm open to learning, and I can take more powers and put it in my cape. Okay, I can take more powers. अभी तो हमने 3 ही power लिखा है, लेकिन अगर मैं ये open हूँ, if I'm open, I can take in more powers as I grow, and I can put it in my cape. For example, from my papa, I can learn how to be very hardworking. From my mother, I can be very caring. So you can take so many different things from different people that you are with, and you can put it in your cape as your own power because you have a learning mindset. Second room that she went in was self-knowledge, self-awareness. Apne bare mein, you know everything. So if I ask you, what's your favorite color? What do you love to eat? Where do you like to go?
Ma'am,
So you must know all that answers, yes?
and when she went into the self-awareness room, there was
Yes.
like a huge rectangle shaped mirror.
Yes, yes. There was so I'm coming to what all she saw. She's had people in the self-awareness, self-knowledge, people who told her who you are, people she shared the what she made with. Then she went to another room which is called empathy room, which is feeling what others are feeling. See, did you see that person had a red, heart? He was sad when she went in. But when she went in and she shared her
Yeah.
idea, that person became happy and was with her. So you understand other people also. So for example, the people you live with, the people you study with, your brother, sister, you understand what they are going through. That's called empathy. So if you have empathy score high, then you are emotionally intelligent. If you don't understand what others feel, you will go fall from the top, right? So you don't want to fall from the top. You want to be emotionally really powerful. So that is what she went into. Then it was social skills, getting friends together, understanding what they feel, right? So understanding their perspective, their opinions, what do they feel? So that is what is social skills. Do you like to meet people? Do you like to meet new people? How many of you like to meet new people?
Ma'am, I love to
I
meet
like
new
to meet
people.
people and I like
Ma'am,
to study. I
Good.
love
Me.
Thank you, Raga. Thank you.
Also,
Yes.
I like to meet new people.
Okay. Sharanya is saying she
me.
cannot
I like
understand
to meet
anything.
new
Okay,
people.
Sharanya. I'll explain it to you. Okay. So what to become emotionally intelligent, you need to take care of 4 things. Okay. And what are those 4 things? Number 1, self-awareness. You must know about your own self. When you are feeling angry, when you are feeling sad, what do you want? Do you want to slow down? You are very excited. So you must know about yourself. You must know about others, what they are feeling, okay, who are around you. So look at your mom, dad, you now know all the emotions, right? You recognized it. So know what emotions are they feeling, okay? When you feel that you are extremely angry or something, you will be able to manage yourself. Now you know the breathing technique, you know so many other techniques like going in the nature or sitting with your diary or doing lego or other things, right, to distract yourself or to come up to get the calmness. So now you know how to manage your emotions, right? You know when to slow down, eat a snack, come back, take a break. So you know all that, right? Then comes social intelligence. Now you need to learn how to manage others by speaking rightly to them when they are angry, calming them down. Like somebody said, when I get very excited, my parents say, calm down. Now it's your turn to manage other people. When they are feeling over the top, you are the one who's going to calm them down, bring them to relaxation. So that is social skills. So you need to have 4 skills, okay? Now you understand? Good. And those who like to meet new people, it's wonderful because then you understand so many varied
Ma'am,
emotions.
I also
Yeah?
like to meet like new
Very good.
people
Very good.
and
Very good. Yeah. So now I want you all to, like this, I have created a mood board for myself. See, this is all me in different moods. I want you to also take selfies. You love taking selfies, right? Now take your mom's phones and take
yeah.
selfies of various
Yes,
moods that you get in
yes, ma'am.
and
I
put it
like
down
taking
with the name.
selfies.
Okay. So you will put your name also. So when are you feeling hopeful? When you're feeling compassionate? When you're feeling thoughtful? When you're feeling you are lost? When you're feeling withdrawn? When you're tired? Put a mood board for yourself. Okay. I'll send all these worksheets to you all. So you can change, you understand that emotions to already changing. I feel different emotions at different times. So I don't go mad at any time because I know that emotions will change when I want them to change, right?
Ma'am, and what happens that The basically emotional intelligence is like you are knowing your and other people's emotions and helping them.
Yes, and helping them and yourself also, and learning to manage it. Yeah, good.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I want parents to pay some attention here. All the parents are with me here.
Mummy.
Can we have yes if in the chat box, and can you all call your parents if they're not around?
Yes.
Yeah,
Mama.
we have
I'm going
5
to call
minutes
the
for
parents.
parents. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my
Thank you.
parents
Thank
are
you. In the
busy.
chat, please put in. And now every communication through chat only. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So now this is a very important aspect we have reached. Uh, we have discussed with children, what are the various emotions they go through, what are the body languages, what they can do, steps they can take to overcome anger or other things. We did discuss all that. Now we want to discuss with you, like how much time are you talking and what are the questions you're asking your children. So it is very important to open the channel of communication and bring it to not just a boring, what did you do in school? Rather bring it to a place where they can actually come up with emotions that they felt, right? And express it to you. So instead of just simply asking plain questions, frame your questions in such a way, like explain how someone has helped you in the past week. So they understand that, okay, I was helped, and they have those memory and reinforcements of empathy and social skills developed in them, right? So asking them questions like these would really help. I'll go through the questions if you can have a understanding of it, and of course these will be shared. So explain them how someone has helped you in the past week. Describe something you did today that you can be proud of. So probably, I remember my son always coming and telling me, okay, I helped one of my teachers pick up the books, while she was climbing the stairs. So I took the load from her. So this was a good thing that he was feeling proud of doing. Or he helped a colleague, another student in something, some sharing some resources. So these are the things you come and encourage them when they are coming and sharing with you, right? Now describe how you made someone else's day better. This is a very important question to ask almost every day, because this increases their empathy. This increases their understanding of others and how they are making a difference in their lives. It's not pity, it's not mercy, it's not that we are wanting our children to learn. Ki beggar ko kuch de diya. No, not that. That's sympathy, that's pity. This is not the emotion we want to encourage. We want to encourage an emotion of empathy. If they want a piece of chocolate for happiness, probably their brother would also be happy if they share that piece of chocolate with the brother or with somebody, cousin. Okay, so this is what you need to inculcate in them, that they feel the emotions of others. So how did you make someone else's day better? Of course they will have to study what is it that the other person wants and how they can make it better, and this will make them think about it. Describe a time when you were happy for someone else in the past week. You're happy for yourself. I know that your teacher appreciated you, but were you happy for your friend? This will remove jealousy and envy. The feeling of enviousness will come down, and they will learn to share their rewards, share their happiness with other people. Okay. Describe something fun you did today. Keeping them positive and cheerful is really important. So instead of asking, okay, what happened in that class, because what did you do something fun today? Like, what happened? So have a conversation which is more towards emotions, which is kind of, I'm sure you already are doing it. But if in case you are, wanting to take more ideas, this is what I have to share. And these are all tried and tested on my son and various other students, and it does work. What was something nice you said in the past week? So this makes them very careful about what they're saying and what they're speaking. So keep these cards, for open communication while they're having lunch with you or something. So another thing is describe the best part of your day. If they can come up with some best thing that happened with them, you will be knowing what is where their emotions are moving towards, or what is it that they're looking forward to, what is the anticipation, hope. Again, describe something that you're thankful for. I'm sure this you all are doing. If you're not doing some gratitude jar in your house, please start it. Let them be thankful for at least one thing every day, and put it in that jar. And when the jar is full, give them a reward, a token of thanks, or something like a gift, so that they keep doing it. And this becomes a habit for lifetime. I mean, all I can say is that this is one thing that I want parents to now come forward and, become a support to your children's emotional growth, because it takes them a long way. This is what is needed more than anything else. Now, this is a very important thing about knowing about themselves. And this is like my family badge of honor. So they should note down 4 people that they are considering in their support group. It could be a teacher, a brother, parents, and they have to note down what is the good quality in them that they would like to put in their cape. Like it's like a badge on their own Superman dress or Superwoman dress. Okay, and they will put down the qualities that they love about them. So like somebody who's done it has written, so I like his mom is charming, funny, expressive, cute, adorable. He's put it all down. Then grandfather is generous, brave, great speaker, always there. So all this you ask them to also put down. And then this you print it out and put it in front of them so that they can see that these are the emotions and these are the qualities they are exposed to. And this is their family badge of honor. Okay. So this gives them a self-esteem, which is very high. And that way they become emotionally more wise and intelligent, right? And capable of handling their own emotions because they have their own thing. So unfortunately, our education system is working towards getting us a very reasonable mind, a very logical mind, but they're not working towards having a wise mind, right? Family systems in India gives us a very emotional exposure. So that also becomes too much and we become too emotional or too logical. The idea of emotional intelligence is to come in the middle. That is to have a wise mind. The wise mind is the one that can balance both halves and can take the decision in a rational as well as emotional manner, right? By increasing the empathy and other skills that we just talked about. So I encourage parents and teachers to work towards, adapting this wise mind and growing it and working towards it. That's what I would call designing your life and not living by default. Thank you so much. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shrija.
Yes.
You can stop sharing so we can have a gallery view of everybody.
Yes.
Yeah. So that was an exhaustive account for the children, and I loved the way the children responded. Students,
Yes, they were really enjoying.
y'all were so on the dot for all the emotions. My
Yes.
God, you know so many emotions. I loved it. Wonderful. And yeah, and all the little, and I must congratulate Shivangi. No, sorry,
Yes.
what was it? Adya.
Adya. Yeah.
Adya, where are
Thank
you?
you,
Can I
ma'am.
see you? Oh my God, Adya, the way you interpreted the movie. Even I was not paying that much attention.
Yes.
The way you were paying attention. So a big clap from your side, from my side, and Srija's side, and
Yes.
everybody's side for you. Lovely.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
all of you, I must put a little reaction for all of you, because all of you were understanding the emotions, not only becoming angry and happy, but you all said excited, then you all said
Yeah.
then mad, then so many different emotions, frustrated.
Yes.
So that's excellent, you must be able to label your emotion. And I think, Shrija, I loved that little, moodometer
Yes.
that you made. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I think that will be a good thing if the children can have it at home.
Yes. I'm gonna send it in plan. They can print it
Yeah.
out and keep it. The
Correct.
parents
So
can
I
walk
think
around.
parents can, print it out and keep it up. And then every day, maybe you can ask the child, so how are you feeling today? And there's a graph there, so are you very annoyed, little annoyed? So you can put a little, just mark it there. And then maybe the child can ask you parents, Mom, how are you feeling today? Or let's say if the child did not listen to you today. With children, when you all don't listen to your parents, you all can ask your parents, Mom, how are you doing today on the moodometer? Because I didn't listen to you. Then mommy will tell you that I'm here today. Okay? So this way the family members can understand the emotions of each other. And that's how, like Shrija beautifully said, you will become emotionally intelligent and not emotionally foolish. So I like that, okay? Intelligent and the reverse opposite is foolish. And I think all children don't want to be fools, right, children? You want to be intelligent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you all want to be
But they are
intelligent.
very intelligent. If you ask them, they all know their mother's phone's passwords. So they're very intelligent.
Yeah, they are all very intelligent. They all know mummy's password. Correct.
Yes, ma'am. I know
There.
my mother's
See,
password.
there.
Yeah,
One intelligent
ma'am. I
person
also know
speaks.
my password.
Ah.
No.
So
Ma'am, even I
now,
know.
so now Shrija ma'am just said you don't have to be only intelligent, you have to be emotionally also intelligent. So you must know when to lower, she said use the remote, right? And like the AC, she gave the example of the AC. Yeah, so when you can say, Mommy, I'm feeling like the temperature of my emotion now is 60. Then mommy will say, okay, bring it down to 30. And then you will do like the pause, remote the button, going down to 30, 20, 10, and then happy. So everybody is going to use that remote?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Lovely, very nice. So, parents, do you have any questions? I think Shrija has really covered a lot. But do you have any questions to manage your children's emotions? Anything that you want to ask? We've just 5 minutes now, so you can ask
Some
something.
hands are raised.
Okay, let me
Arman, Vandana, and Amana.
Okay, so we have, all right, so one by one, uh, who would like to go first? Vandana? Vandana's mommy, daddy, maybe. I don't know if the name is the child's
I
or
don't
the
know.
parents. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Vandana, would you like to go ahead? Vandana's mommy or Vandana?
I think it's.
Or maybe they raised it earlier. Okay, any question? If not, then I'd like to thank Shrija. Anybody? Any questions? So did you all enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very much.
We enjoyed a lot.
So
Yes,
can
ma'am, very much.
Can I have a reaction? Can I have a reaction on your virtual screen that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
enjoyed? Everybody, thumbs up,
Yeah.
thumbs up. Everybody, thumbs up. Okay, that is good. Shrija, want to take a picture? Shrija, want to click a picture? Okay, everyone, thumbs up, so we click a picture. Yeah, lovely, awesome. So good. So thank you, Shrija. It was lovely. So can someone thank Shrija ma'am? Who would like to thank Shrija ma'am?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All
Thank
thank
you, ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Shrija.
Thank you.
Lovely
You're a
session.
bundle of joy, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. So see you all next time when Zenden
See you all
has another
next
guest
time.
speaker. Bye bye.
Bye. Keep your kids. Bye.